What's going on, guys? Shout out to Stonewall Civ for encouraging me to do this. A couple days ago, went out on a great chase. Got a couple of nice shelf clouds, some nice time-lapse footage. Right now, I'm getting ready to drop south towards Traer, Iowa. I'm in Waterloo right now. Just now heading out. I'm actually going to stop at Walmart, get myself a little phone mount. And I'm going to drop south and hopefully get on this storm that's rolling in and hopefully catch a nice shelf before the afternoon picks up. Right now it is 10 o'clock in the morning. Not very often you can go out and get decent chase footage at this time of the day. So let's see what happens. Alright, I am currently in position on the best looking part of this subpar storm. So if anything happens, I'm going to be right here to see it. Might try to get some little time-lapse footage here and just see how this plays out. All right, so it's day 2 chasing in northern Iowa. I'm here with my partner, and we are on a tornado-warned cell. We got a wall cloud right in front of us. There has been an observed tornado on this thing, so we're kind of just waiting to see what happens. Looks like it's gonna pass us that way, doesn't it? Look at all these people parked right here. Come on, do it. Do it. Come on. Fucking do it. It wants to so bad right there.